Today I'm going to repair a Victor 797 multimeter. It looks very similar to the Fluke 17B multimeter. The fault is also very common, with the battery leaking and corroding the motherboard. Okay, let's start the repair. Now we can see that the corroded part of the motherboard has been cleaned and re-isolated. But the corrosion is extensive. I'm not sure if the accuracy will be affected. Let's power it on and test the functions. Okay, it powers on normally. The function switching also appears to be normal. But there is still an issue with the resistance function, showing a very high reading. Let's test a 1K resistor. The resistance reading is normal. Let's try another 10 ohm resistor. The reading is only 4 ohm. Clearly there is an issue. The corrosion on the motherboard has caused a leakage in the test circuit, resulting in incorrect readings for high resistance test. This is also the issue I was most worried about. Although I cleaned most of the corrosion, I couldn't fix the leakage in other parts. Therefore, this repair has failed, and this multimeter cannot be fully restored. If you like my video, please like and subscribe.